Today, I'm teaching you how to set up alerts in Wells Fargo online banking, whether it's for balance, spending, or even fraud alerts. So this is super simple. Off the rip, it should be enabled if you do have your account. So right here, as you can see, we're on the login page. Go ahead and type in your username and password and then click sign on. This should lead you onto your online banking access. And here, as you can see, I use Wells Fargo, even have some money in here. But essentially what you're gonna wanna do here is set up alerts. And the place to find that is all the way up to accounts. But in my case, it doesn't actually show up here because I have this over here. So as you can see, these three dots is probably where you're gonna be finding yours. This is the same as it would be on phone. So go ahead and click these three dots or just hover over it. Then find your way over to the fourth option, which says manage alerts. This is where everything is done. So as you can see here, this lets you manage some of the alerts that you get. So if you have a payment due alert that you want to get, or a payment not received alert that you want to get, go ahead and open these up. And it literally lets you edit the frequency of how many times it wants to be reminded for you. And so it's super simple to set this up. Go ahead and hit subscribe if you're interested in this. And as you can see, there are three options: email, text, or push notifications. So it's entirely up to you which ones you want to use. I usually recommend the text one, as it's something you can kind of push off until you next use your phone. But regardless, let's say you want to do something that's a little bit more specific to the security of your account, and that's super simple as well. Go ahead and find your way to security alerts. And here you can see username and password changes, or if your account access is suspended, this will let you know. For myself, I have both of these already enabled on my email, and not to mention I already have it enabled on push notifications, which just means your phone. It'll give you a little notification on the banking app itself. And if you don't have the app, I don't know what you're doing. You're gonna want that. It'll save you a ton of stress. There's also two more things. The financial health alerts. This is something that I literally do not use. I don't really know anyone that does use this. So if you are interested in that, I can't really help you out there. And then this just kind of tells you what each of them are if you were confused or you ever forget in the future. If this was helpful, consider subscribing. Have a good one.